was lawless by name and lawless by nature. He was trouble right from the start. Hard as nails, running wild through the streets, he was breaking his poor mother's heart. Nature played a trick on Lawless, and the humour of nature is cruel. He grew up, as we all had expected, into a dangerous fool. And he was a hard man, a man for all seasons. He was always out for a fight. He couldn't hold drink, but still he'd get plastered in Clark's every Saturday night. He'd strip to his vest and challenge the best until the guards were called to come fast. And they'd lock him away for the rest of the day and leave him out on Sunday morning for mass. Oh, one night he went down to the Ringsend Regatta, where he met up with the bold Dolly Platts. She wasn't exactly what you'd call beauty, but she was the belle of our flats. A whirlwind romance, and Dolly took a flyer. With Lawless she would settle down. It was pure coincidence. 3 months before, there was a Yankee destroyer in town. And the couple were blessed with one of God's miracles before 6 months had elapsed. Dolly gave birth to a 9-pound black baby, and Lawless was fit to collapse. She swore she'd never been touched by another, and Lawless took her at her word. And the neighbours exclaimed, he's the spit of his father, and the cuckoo was a wonderful bird. Hey, 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 hey. Now Lawless stays in and looks after his babby, while Dolly goes out for the night. The old gossips all say she's free in her ways, and their evil rumours ran rife. When Lawless heard this, he waited for Dolly on the bridge where the river runs low. And no one will ever know what happened next, but Dolly drowned in the Dodder below. There's some say he's crazy and more say he's evil, and everyone says that he's mad. No one will defend him, he was no angel, but I'll tell you, he wasn't all bad. They've locked him away for the rest of his natural, never again will he see. But down the back of Ringsend, there's a lonely child playing, where the Liffey flows into the sea.
Neil Margaret.